Let's make 50,000 naira interest while saving on the FairMoney platform. Hi, my name is Joy and I teach people about finances and investment. And if you're someone who is interested in topics like this, please like this video and subscribe. And don't forget to share how you feel about it in the comment section. Now, a lot of people, when they hear FairMoney, what comes to their mind is loan. But FairMoney is not just a loan platform. It's also a platform where you can save or invest your money and get a very good interest rate at the end of the day. I already made a video on how you can set up a FairMoney account. Please check the description box. I'm going to be leaving the link to that video. Go watch it, set up your account, and then you come back to this video. And don't forget to use my referral code. Please use my referral code when setting up your account. Now, to the business of the day, I'm going to be teaching you how you can make 50,000 naira while saving with your FairMoney account. Now, let's go get our 50k. Okay, now let's save money into our FairMoney savings. And here I'm coming under savings. I'm going to go under savings. I'm clicking on savings now, waiting for it to load. So under savings, you have Fair Lock, Fair Save, and Fair Target. Now, Fair Lock, you have to lock your money for a particular time, a duration. You can see it's giving 7 to 730 days. Then we have Fair Save, which is withdraw anytime. And then Fair Target, you have to save with discipline. Now, if you look at it very well, Fair Lock, under Fair Lock, the percentage is more, that's the interest is more, which is 30% PA. Now, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be saving on Save Lock. I want to lock my money for a particular time, a duration. Now, let's click on it. That's Fair Lock. Now, here we have the amount. Now, the amount I want to save here is 1 million naira, right? Now, let's save 1 million naira. This is 1 million naira. Then I'm saving this 1 million naira for how long? Now they're asking me, no, how long? It's 90 days. I want to save it for 90 days. Now this is 90 days. Now, collect interest up front. No, I don't want to collect it up front. Now, interest to earn. Now, this money I'm saving for 90 days, the interest I'm going to be receiving on this money is 51,041 naira. Just look at it. This is what I'm going to be earning. Now, that's my interest on this 1 million naira that I'm going to save for 90 days. That's going to be my interest. Now, the next thing is I'm just going to continue. Then they're going to ask me to give these savings a name, and I'm just going to write my savings. Then that's all for here. Let's continue. Okay, so now look at it. Now, plan name is my savings. Now, sorry, let's start from amount to lock is 1 million naira. Plan name is my savings. Lock duration 90 days. Interest rate is 23% per annum. Interest value is going to be 56,700. Just look at it. If you can look at it very well, just look at it here yourself. Just look at it. Then payout day is going to be November 4th 2025. That's when I'm going to receive my money. Then pay to Fair Save. Yeah, so just look at it. Total payout, that's what I'm going to be receiving in total after everything. So here I'll now confirm, because I've already done everything now and I want to lock this money. I'm going to lock my 1 million naira, and at the end of 90 days, this is what I'm going to be getting, an interest of 51. Just imagine 51,000 naira. Just imagine that. Like, where can you get this kind of package from? So just look at it. Now confirm. So we're just going to read the terms and condition here. I accept that 1 million naira from my savings Fair Lock plan will be locked for 90 days until November 4, 2025, and cannot be withdrawn before then. Just to agree with the terms and conditions. So I'm just going to agree with it. I understand that my deposit and earned interest will only be accessible upon term completion and will be automatically paid to my Fair Save account by the specified date. Now, authorize this transaction. Now look at it. You have successfully locked 1 million naira to your savings Fair Lock plan for 90 days. Can you see it? Can you see what is here? So this is just it. Basically, this is how you save with your FairMoney account, and trust me, this interest rate is very interesting. So basically, that is all you need to do. That is how you are going to make 50,000 naira while investing 1 million naira. You can actually invest less or higher depending on your financial capacity. Just imagine you investing up to 10 million, 20 million, 30 million. Just imagine what your interest rate is going to look like. And you are here leaving your money lying there in your bank account where no interest is being added to it. Please always find a way to invest your money. And to the interesting part of this video, you can actually take your interest rate upfront and reinvest that money into that same platform again and get another interest on it. Doesn't that sound interesting? Anyways, if you have watched this video up to this moment or up to this time, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video.